Hi everyone, welcome to iBoysoft channel. The kernel data in-page error is a Windows error that appears on the blue screen of death, and it often indicates the hard drive errors, system memory failure, the damaged integrity of the disk's file system, or more. If any problem is detected, the computer system will be required to restart when you see the blue screen of death, and it will appear again and again until the error is fixed. So this video is a tutorial on how to fix the kernel data in-page error using the different tools and utilities on Windows. CHKDSK utility can scan the file system and its sectors, and it will attempt to fix the bad settings and many other errors found in the hard drives. You can use the CHKDSK to fix the kernel data in-page error, and here's how to do it. Open the Windows search box and type in CMD and run the command prompt as administrator. When the command window appears, input the command underlined in red and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. After the scanning and the repair is finished, restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. The System File Checker and the Deployment Image Servicing and Management tool can help you fix the kernel data in-page error caused by the system file corruption. To do it, you need to run the command prompt as administrator. When the command window appears, input the commands underlined in red and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. When the scanning and the repair are finished, restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. A Windows memory diagnostic tool can be used to check the memory problems that result in the kernel data in-page error. You can follow the steps below to run this troubleshooting tool. Open the Windows search box and input Windows Memory Diagnostic, and then tap on the result. Now you need to click the Restart Now and check for problems. This will restart your Windows PC automatically, and this memory diagnostic tool will attempt to fix any detected problems, and you will see how this works out. You can run a virus scan on Windows to check if there are viruses that encode the kernel data in-page error. You can do this by opening Settings and go to the Update and Security section and choose Windows Security and choose Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to tap on the Scan options. And this is the place where you can run the virus scan, and a full scan is recommended, which will take longer than 1 hour. After the scanning is finished, restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. The faulty or outdated drivers on your Windows can cause the kernel data in-page error, so you can try to fix this error by updating the device driver. To do this, you need to right-click on the Start menu button to choose Device Manager, and then locate the device driver and right-click on it and choose Update Driver. When the pop-up window shows up, and tap on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your computer for the best available drivers and install it on your device. And of course, you can update other device drivers by repeating the steps we just mentioned. And after the driver is installed, restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. Clean boot mode may help you fix the kernel data in-page error. The clean boot is a diagnostic mode on Windows that starts the operating system with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. This helps identify and troubleshoot issues caused by the software conflicts, corrupted startup items, or third-party services. Here's how to open the clean boot mode. You need to press the Windows and R keys to launch the Run Dialog box and input msconfig into the box and click OK. Go to the Services tab and check Hide All Microsoft Services and tap on Disable All button. And go to the Startup and click Open Task Manager. And now you need to disable all the listed apps and close the Task Manager window and click the OK button in the System Configuration window. And then you'll be prompted to restart your Windows PC. After restart, your Windows PC will be in the clean boot mode. And if the issue is resolved, re-enable the services or startup applications one by one to find the culprit. If the culprit is found, it is recommended to disable the services and uninstall the applications to fix the kernel data in-page error. And now I want to introduce the way to exit the clean boot. And you need to open the system configuration window again and go to the General tab and check Normal Startup and re-enable the necessary services and startup applications manually and click OK. Then you need to restart your PC to exit the clean boot.